Welcome back to our journey into crafting a content strategy that truly works. In this third installment of our series, we are focusing on how to pick the perfect core content for your brand and how AI, specifically ChatGPT, can be a real game changer in your content creation process. Let's get those creative gears turning and explore how these tools can be harnessed to actually elevate your brand to new heights. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Jen Vazquez. I am your friendly business cheerleader, and on this channel, I am all about helping female service providers like you excel in marketing, Pinterest strategies, content creation, and mastering those marketing workflows. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below because I release a new video each week on Sundays, so let's grow your business together. Choosing your core content type. Blog posts, videos, or podcasts. The heart of your content strategy really lies in choosing the right core content. Whether it's insightful blog posts, captivating videos, or engaging podcasts, the key to select a medium that best showcases not only your expertise, but also resonates with your audience. Your commitment to producing one piece of core content each week is not just about consistency, it's about building a connection with your audience and providing them with value that they can't find anywhere else. And also your unique style for providing that information. And here's how you can ace each format. For the purposes of content creation, I like to go in quarters. So I do basically 3 months of content planning at a time because a year out is much too long in my opinion, and things change and I pivot in my business too often. So for blog posts, having 12 well-researched, informative blog articles that enlighten and engage your readers would be phenomenal. And then if you're doing videos, 12 visually appealing and educational type of videos, ranging from tutorials to product demos that capture and hold your audience's attention. And then finally, podcasts. Having 12 deep dive podcast episodes that it really explore topics that your audience is passionate about. So that's what we're gonna be creating. So you wanna pick one of those 3 types of content. Next, we're gonna be leveraging ChatGPT for core content. So let's talk about what I think is the exciting part, using AI to supercharge your content creation. ChatGPT is more than just a tool. And no, it doesn't just write blog posts that you can publish immediately. There is some work on it. It's just saving you so much work on the creative side that it helps you to have this sort of map of what you want to do. And then you're going to fill in those details with the way that you educate and the way that you teach. I look at ChatGPT as a creative partner in this content journey. Imagine harnessing its power to generate ideas and outlines or even drafts of your content for your blogs or videos or podcasts. It could really provide you with fresh perspectives, help overcome writer's block, and even assist in scripting or structuring your content. With ChatGPT, you are not just keeping up with the content demands, but you're actually staying ahead of the curve. And through ChatGPT, you can not only ensure that you have all of the SEO elements that need to be in it for it to be effective to really get out there in all the different platforms. And it not only saves time, but if you're doing the prompts correctly and you're putting in there what your ideal client's struggles are, it really helps you to create some amazing content. Below, I am going to be sharing with you some prompts that are very effective for each area, the blog, the video section, and also for a podcast. It does a a really great job in terms of podcasts to come up with questions even for me to ask the people that I'm interviewing. For you, if it's just solo and it's not for interviews, it could still come up with great content that really touches on those struggles that your ideal client has. And below, for free, I am including the prompts that I like to use that will help you to really get closer to that content that ChatGPT produces to being completed. Obviously, you need to add your own personality, but with ChatGPT, there's a section that you can click on the bottom left corner. That is your name. You click on it and you can give instructions so that they know all of this information whenever they're going to be creating content for you. It is insanely cool. And my favorite thing about that is you can turn it off for when I'm using ChatGPT to help me with client work. I can turn that off and make sure I'm plugging in my clients' core information to make sure that I have the best content for them as well. So you can get all of those prompts for free down below. Embracing the power of both the right content type as well as cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT sets you up for a content-rich quarter. This approach not only boosts your content quality and quantity, but it also ensures that every single piece of content aligns perfectly with your brand voice, your business goals, your audience's needs, and your content strategy. If you've been on this journey with me, or you just found this one part 3 post, I highly encourage you to sign up for a free masterclass that I'm offering called Content Marketing Planning. It's going to take you through all of these different series that I've been doing with videos, but in a really workshop style type of masterclass that I'm going to give you the education on what to do and how to do it, but also I'm going to be giving you the prompts on how to really make it effective. And you can ask me any questions that you want live at that time as well. So I'd love for you to join me, thepinterestqueen.com/planning, and I hope to see you there. So are you ready to make this quarter the most impactful yet? Let's make it happen. And if you have any questions, we're going to be going on to part 4 next week. But in the interim, if you have any questions, put them down below, and I can't wait to talk to you.